Choosing the right door lock today isn't just about keys anymore. It's about convenience, security, and how well it fits into your daily routine. From fingerprint access and smart app control to lever-style designs and hands-free unlocking, modern door locks have come a long way. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best door locks you should buy based on real-world usability, security features, reliability, and overall value. Whether you're upgrading your front door, securing a side entrance, or setting up a smart home for the first time, this list will help you find the right lock for your needs. Let's get started. Smart locks have evolved, but they're still not perfect. Fingerprints fail, PIN can be guessed, and dead batteries can lock you out. That's where the Eufy Lock S3Max stands out. It replaces fingerprints with advanced palm vein recognition, adds a 2K video doorbell, and brings AI-powered security into one sleek device. Right out of the box, it feels premium and durable, backed by BHMA-1 certification, an encrypted lock cylinder, and EMP resistance. Despite packing serious tech, it stays clean and modern in design. The highlight is palm vein recognition. Using infrared to scan vein patterns beneath the skin, it unlocks in just 0.2 seconds with 99.9% accuracy. It works reliably even with wet or dirty hands, making it ideal for kids and older users. It also doubles as a video doorbell with a 5-megapixel 2K camera, wide field of view, HDR, and strong night vision. Battery anxiety is solved with Power Duo technology, combining a long-lasting rechargeable battery with AAA backup. Add AI smart sensing, Matter support, Wi-Fi 6, and auto lock features, and you get a smart lock that truly upgrades home security. If you want cutting-edge convenience and reliability, the Eufy Lock S3Max is absolutely worth considering. Most smart locks still rely on familiar ideas like apps, fingerprints, or keypads. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision takes a different approach. Instead of you unlocking the door, it's designed to recognize you. Walk up, get identified, and the door unlocks automatically. That's the promise. It's a retrofit smart lock, meaning it installs over your existing deadbolt with no drilling, making it ideal for renters or anyone avoiding permanent changes. Build quality feels solid, and thoughtful touches like optional wood grain skins help it blend into your door. The standout feature is the Vision keypad with 3D facial recognition using infrared structured light. It works day or night, processes data locally, and keeps everything encrypted for privacy. Face unlock feels futuristic and fast, though lighting and positioning can occasionally affect speed. Beyond face unlock, it supports fingerprints, pins, NFC, app control, voice assistance, Apple Watch, Bluetooth auto unlock, and physical keys, making it extremely flexible. The motor is fast, quiet, and reliable with smart auto lock options. Battery anxiety is minimized with a triple power system, including backup and emergency unlock. Add Matter support, smart automations, and detailed access logs, and you get a premium, forward-looking smart lock. At around $300, it's not cheap, but it's one of the most advanced retrofit smart locks available today. When it comes to home security, we want something reliable, easy to use, and genuinely smart, without spending a fortune. After a few weeks with the DESLOC D110 Plus Smart Door Lock, it's clear this lock aims to deliver exactly that, all for under $100. Installation is refreshingly simple. It's fully DIY, auto-detects left or right door swings, and takes about 15 minutes if you've ever installed a deadbolt before. Once installed, the sleek black design and angled lock view display immediately stand out, letting you check lock status, battery level, and alerts at a glance. Unlocking options are plentiful. You get fingerprint, PIN, app control, physical key, and Alexa support, and the fingerprint reader is fast and reliable even with wet or cold hands. Built-in Wi-Fi is a huge win, allowing remote locking, real-time notifications, and access logs without needing an extra hub. On the security side, It's BHMA Grade 3 certified, IP54 rated, and includes an anti-hijacking alert feature. Battery life reaches up to 12 months with low battery warnings and USB-C emergency power as backup. In everyday use, the D110 Plus feels practical and dependable. For the price, it delivers impressive smart features, solid security, and real convenience, making it an excellent choice for first-time buyers or budget-friendly smart home upgrades. Thorbolt, best known for the MK1 fingerprint doorknob, has now entered the standard deadbolt space with the Thorbolt X1, a smart lock designed specifically for Apple home users. We've spent several weeks testing it, and it's clear this lock is all about seamless Apple-first convenience. Inside the box, you get everything needed for installation, including templates, hardware, backup keys, and clear documentation. Installation is simple, especially if you already have a standard North American deadbolt. Build quality feels premium, with a sleek matte black finish, a smooth glass keypad, and a fast, responsive fingerprint sensor. The X1 offers 6 unlocking methods: physical key, PIN code with anti-peat protection, fingerprint, Siri voice control, Apple HomeKey via iPhone or Apple Watch, and app control. A dedicated NFC area for Apple HomeKey is a smart touch, making tap to unlock effortless. Fingerprint data is encrypted and stored locally for privacy, and built-in Thread ensures fast, reliable, low-power connectivity. Power comes from 8 AA batteries, rated for up to a year of use, with emergency USB-C power as backup. At around $130, the Thorbolt X1 is a polished, Apple-focused smart lock that's easy to use, reliable, and well worth considering for HomeKit households. Forgetting keys, sharing access, or double-checking if a side door is locked happens more often than we think. That's where the DESLOC-L comes in. A lever-style smart lock designed for daily use doors like garages, side entrances, home offices, and studios. Right away, the D120L feels solid and understated. The silver finish blends in, the lever feels sturdy, and the keypad and fingerprint sensor are placed naturally. With BHMA, Grade 3 certification and IP54 protection, it feels well-suited for residential and light workspace use. What makes this lock stand out is the lever design. When your hands are full, pushing down a lever is simply easier than twisting a knob. Combined with DESLOC's fast GPT fingerprint sensor, unlocking feels seamless. Grab the handle, touch the sensor, and you're in. Installation is straightforward, running on 4 AA batteries with no drilling required. Unlock options include fingerprint, PIN, app control, Alexa or Google Voice commands, and a physical key. Built-in Wi-Fi means no hub is needed, and the app offers remote access, activity logs, and temporary codes. After daily use, the D120L proves itself as a quiet, reliable smart lock. It's not flashy, but it works consistently, making it a great fit for frequently used secondary doors where convenience matters most. So those are our picks for the 5 best door locks you should buy right now. Each one offers something different, whether it's smart connectivity, easy access for shared spaces, or simple reliability you can trust every day. If you found this list helpful, let us know which lock you'd choose in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content like this,